In this video, I will tell you how to organize the content in pages. So once we have decided on the design of the site, selected an appropriate theme, we can start inserting the content in the website. Now we have designed only one page over here. It is practically not good to put all the content in one page. So the next thing that should be done is to structure your content in different pages. So I'll show you now how to insert pages in your site. On the right side panel, we can see another tab which is pages. When I click on pages, it shows me only one page currently, which is the home page. I can insert more pages in my site by clicking on this plus button. When I go to this plus button, it shows me new page and new link. So I have to click on the plus button to add a new page. So I'm adding new pages. First page that I'm adding is sources. I click on done. I add one more page. Again, by clicking on the plus button, say users. Done. I click on plus to add one more page. And here you can see that 3 pages have been created with the name, pollution, users, sources. If you wish to change their order, you need to simply drag and drop in the position that you want. So I'm just changing their order. Once it is done, you can also observe that the pages that you have created are appearing in the form of a menu on this home page. So the first option is of the home page. This is the sources pages, the users pages, and the pollution page that I just created. Now the menu by default appears horizontally on the top of the site that you're creating. But if you wish to put the menu vertically on the left hand side, that can also be done. So in order to change the layout of the menu, you have to click on the settings button. When you click on the settings button, it will show you how you wish to arrange the menu. So the first option, the default option is top, but if you wish to put the menu on the side, you can select the side option and close this button. So when you close this window, you can see that the menu from the top has gone, and now you can click here to see that the menu appears on the left hand side. I have put the menu on top again. Now once you have created pages, you can start inserting content on the different pages that you have created. So I'll show you how to do that. Normally, in order to insert the content, you have the insert option on the right panel, and here in the insert option you have an option of inserting a text box, images, embed, and drive. I'll be showing you all these options gradually. So normally the text is inserted in the pages in the form of horizontal blocks. So whenever I wish to insert a text box or an image or anything else, I simply need to either select from here. I can click the text box from here. I can see that text box has appeared over here, and I can type anything in this. So I wish to add a quotation on water. So what I do is, I've already written it in the Word document. I'm simply copying it from here and pasting it in the site. So you can see that the quotation that I selected from the Word document has been pasted over here. If I wish to change any of the formatting options, I can change it from here. So this is written in normal text. I wish to make it a little bold or bigger, so I'm selecting the title option, and the color is automatically changed. You can make it bold if you want, or italics, change the alignment. So I'm just removing the bold thing, keeping it like this. So it is done. This is a horizontal block. Now you can see that on the left hand side there is an option of creating a background over here. So the regular is already there. I just select the emphasis to part, so you can see that it has been emphasized over here. You can select other options as well, where you can put an image in the background also, so that can be done. Suppose if you're not satisfied with this particular block and you want to delete it, there's an option of deleting this section as well. After this, suppose I wish to add more text. I'm doing it from the Word document again, selecting it, creating a section by clicking on the text box and copying it over here. I change the formatting options. And this is done. So this is how you can create various sections and organize your text over here.